Greetings and Namaste everyone. We welcome you to the Kathak workshop with Pandit Rajendra Gangani, organized by CJAX Arts. CJAX Arts is a global directory and a networking platform for artists from all art forms. CJAX Arts public concerts have spotlighted the finest musicians of India and the United States. We have many more great events such as Tadharshi Dance and Music Marathon, Dimensional Dance World Premiere, Santoor Concert by Pandit Tarun Bhattacharya, an evening with author Maureen O'Brien, etc. coming up. Please like us on Facebook and subscribe our YouTube channel to know more about upcoming programs organized by CJAX Arts. But more importantly, CJAX Arts is a platform for artists such as yourself. Become the CJAX Arts member. We are very grateful to Pandit Rajendra Gangani for agreeing to do a Kathak workshop for us. And this is the first time Pandit Ji is teaching a full-length dance piece in a 2-hour-long workshop. Pandit Rajendra Gangani doesn't need any introduction. In the world of classical Indian dance, who doesn't know him? Pandit Rajendra Gangani is a renowned Kathak dancer from Jaipur Gharana and notable for his innovative style. The disciple and son of Pandit Kundan Lal Gangani, Rajendra Gangani started training in the art of Kathak dance at the early age of 4. Pandit Gangani has taught and performed at major festivals throughout Asia, Europe and Africa and has won numerous accolades and awards, including the Sangeet Natak Academy Award bestowed on him in 2003 by the President of India. Pandit Ji, all participants are waiting for you eagerly, and we welcome you and thank you very much for taking time out for this virtual workshop, and we are hoping to see you again and again on CJAX Arts. Welcome.